start of the adventure.
You don't have your metal on right now.
I should. Maybe you could get that for biggest fish. So there's definitely footy prints here. We won't. Oh, look at that! You see him? No. Son of a biscuit. He weren't bad either, boy. Right at the bridge. What's that? Yeah, he hit. A lighter hit, but oh, that's a good sign. All right. Good morning, everybody. Back at Sand County Brookies on a beautiful Monday morning. Got my brother Kurt along.
Morning. This is your first time fishing this?
Not this river, but definitely this stretch here. I've never fished this far down on here. You can see how, you know, it is deeper here. Really deep. And whew, that's bright sun. Which of course, look at, not a God blessed cloud. The weather had been saying cloudy, then it got to partly cloudy. Even this morning it said partly cloudy. That looks pretty damn bluebird to me.
This river's really high right now.
I was jacking around with my line. I screwed up and Kurt got our first fish. Looks like a little one, but a first is a first. Did you get him? Little brownie?
Sending them your way.
What do you think? Keep going a little bit? Yeah, I think we should just push forward. Don't even get in here, go around because there's a big log jam. That's all habitat improvement.
Yeah. They came right out of those rocks right through.
Definitely should have kept your sweatshirt on.
Yep. I'm always amazed. How the hell can they survive out here?
Yeah, well, like what else? Well, there's deer and stuff, but there's so many.
Yeah.
And how do they produce so many on like a sip of blood, right?
Yeah, very efficient or something.
Big wave of mosquitoes.
Yeah.
I thought they wouldn't hit me here after the wind and...
Maybe it's all my heavy breathing.
Let's just go up to this big tree and see that big tree leaning. That looks good. And then, because yeah, I'm not saying we're gonna find any greater, but if the bugs are just killing you that bad,
I mean, I just gotta get a sweatshirt on too, you know.
Yeah. On to plan C. No fish so far. One fish.
One fish. One fish, two fish.
Yeah, it just looked like this bend and that big tree there was very similar.
Oh, that water feels good on my legs.
So this is that same river, but look how clear it is. You know? Well, it definitely is. A lot more stuff intercepts it along the way.
There's footprints right here.
Yeah, this definitely gets fished. Oh, there we go. All right, nice little brown, about a footer.
Looks like it was half size when I caught, yeah.
Woo! Right up by that stick coming out. He hit it good. Got a face full. Whoop! Don't get away, pal. I got to smooch ya. There we go. We're in biz.
Maybe 103.
Oh, I'm just... I got it off. I'm like, what's... But it was little dinker again.
Jeez, again? I'd take one.
I was over the very end of that piece of tag hanging out there.
Here, I thought I was going to take the metal home with me today. For one.
A lot of dinkers. Bloop.
Maybe if I would have caught that.
It's a neat little bird.
Oh, the other day when I was at school. Oh, look at that. Fishing pole.
I don't see... Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Don't tell me it's... No, that'd be a different creek. Like, don't tell me it's mine.
I was trying to get the nervous. Might as well keep it.
Yeah. Wow.
Put it up on this tree here.
Huh.
It doesn't look that old.
No, it's a nice little ultralight rod.
They still have plastic on? Yep.
It hasn't been in here for too long. Huh. Well, I'll be dig dogged. I was gonna say maybe it's mine that I lost, but that wasn't in the creek and it wasn't this creek. Sometimes then the current will keep pushing you out. I didn't even see that rod. I don't know if I would have walked right by it.
There we go. Yeah, it definitely pushed me out here.
So pause for a second. Like my first one, I would have tried to go right up in there, kind of, sort of. But I almost hit a tree, so... Ooh, there he is, though. Look at...
Oh, jeez.
There he is.
Just a tiny guy.
But he came from way back in there.
I thought you said stay in front of it.
I did. I'm...
I thought you were telling me to go right where I was going like that.
And now get behind it. Yeah, them big boys don't want to come out that far for it. You know what I mean?
Ooh, not that far.
And if you're way up there, that's fine. Just let it slow retrieve, let it come back up under there. There, yeah.
Oh, holy crap.
Is that a snag?
No.
No, that's a fish. All right, get him out of there. Get him out.
That was a nice one too.
Yep.
I had too loose.
I saw he was diving right in there. God damn it.
This is. Do you hear it?
Yeah, peeling.
Yeah.
Womp womp.
Dang it.
Ah.
That was a nice one.
Look at mine right over there. Yeah, as soon as you saw him dive into that,
Right down here. Yeah.
you gotta horse him out of there. But that's what I meant. Hey! Eight inch, 9 inch. I just threw one over there too and had it snagged. Man, I had to just lay it down in there. Whoops. Now you're all mudded up, buddy. You weren't getting off.
We're halfway. We wouldn't be able to make it.
Right. Look
think
at
I win.
that.
Smallest one of the day.
A big boy. All right, I'll take a peek.
Yeah, that's real pretty quick. It's a lot easier to walk.
All right. Well, we're out of here. She was a not very exciting day.
Pretty slow day.
Yep. Once again, the weatherman lies. Partly to mostly cloudy, as mostly blue as can be. Until the weekend, guys. Run them deep where the big ones sleep.